My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, they ask me where you get a language from. So I tell them, Dayum sim, dayum sayum, dayum dog, sim tum dayum sim.
The levels of nonsense, unbelievable. Luckily, my man have second chances, you know. Now is the time to correct the most foolish mistake you just made. Now, vocabulary exercise. Make a sentence with IG.
Ooh, sir, me.
Me, sir, me. Alright, sir. So, I have this friend named Marsha, you know, sir. And one day, we are going from after school. You know, after school. So, we sweaty. Marsha said, come on, we go off your yard. I say, yeah. We reach a Marsha yard now. We go in the house. I say, two women. I say, her mother. I say, her auntie. I go up to the mother and I shake the mother. And the mother say, oh, sir, yeah, Marsha friend. I say, yeah. So, now I go to the auntie to go shake the auntie. And Marsha say, no. She go on like she too tighty. She nah go on shake your hand. But she near. Marsha said, Jean. So I go up to her.
Yes. Spit it out, man.
And say, hi, Jean.